Gum out?
It was...
No, did you? I asked a question. Did you spit your gum out onto the grass? My dog is going to walk over there and eat that gum.
Why don't you walk
You
your dog
want
on
to kill
your
my
side
dog?
of the street?
Sorry?
What's the
I'm
problem?
sorry? Okay, I am done with you!
Where did she go?
I don't
Where, like,
understand.
she did get hit. Did she not get
crazy.
hit? Like, where?
Your problem, buddy. Why are you touching me? And why do you have a mask on when it's over? Look into my eyes. Don't you see that I'm a man and I will kick your ass? Get away from me, you big guy.
Hey, stop.
You want peace? Prepare for war.
We represent peace here, so why don't you...
You want peace? Prepare for war. All lives matter. It's not about black and white. It's about God. Get back to work.
Do you just want to be up?
The whole time in a mask.
Yes, please.
What was that? We're sheep? Thank you for coughing. Bye.
You hate your life.
Could you
You've always
please
been
get
picked
your dogs
You've
on
always
the
been
leash?
picked on your whole life. You're ugly. You have no manners. Okay?
Could you please put your dogs on a leash?
You have no manners. You're
Sir?
rude. You're unsophisticated.
Sir, could you please put your dogs on a
You're
leash?
unsophisticated.
Please.
And you're obnoxious.
Please put your dogs on a leash.
You're obnoxious.
There is a leash
You know
law.
nobody likes you, right? They never liked you in school. They never liked you in high school. You're a loser, right?
Does this
Just tell me
make
about your life.
Is this
Tell me
making
what-
you
tell
feel
me
good
what it was
about
like for you
yourself?
in elementary, junior high,
Is
and high
this
school.
making you
were
feel good
unpopular,
about
right?
yourself?
No,
Are you
I just
making
know
you-
people like you because I was very popular in school
I'm
and
proud of
everybody
you.
liked me, and I can tell nobody liked you.
Could you please put
And
your
that's why
dogs
you're
on a
bitter.
leash?
That's why you're bitter.
Could
All
you
your
please
life,
put your
nobody
dogs
liked
on a
you,
leash?
right?
Could
Just
you
tell me,
please
tell me
put
your
your
inner,
dogs on a
Tell me
leash?
your inner hurts.
Could you please put
Tell
your
me your inner
dogs
hurts.
on a
You're
leash?
so insecure
Sir.
that you have to take it out on everybody
You know,
else.
if you want to sit here and
regardless,
berate me
nevertheless,
and call me
exactly.
names,
I'm not calling your names. I'm
you
just telling
called
you
me
exactly
ugly, you called me a loser.
you
Those are
are.
names.
all of those
Please
things
put your dog
because-
on a leash. Thank you, sir.
I don't give a about journalists. Dumbass motherfuckers. Put all that fuck back. I don't give a I gotta
Call the police.
Can you please say you admit to punching me?
No, I don't.
You just said it then to him. Did she say that?
I said.
She punched me. This woman here punched me.
Hey, I could have walked off.
And you punched me.
I'm staying here till the police get here.
So you're telling me you didn't hit me?
No, I pushed you.
Oh, so what's this big mark on my body?
You might push it. You might go red easy. Ugly.
Get her out. Call the police immediately and get her out.
I don't live in Mexico. I was born here. I was born here. Bye. It must be hard being so sad and angry. I wish you all the best. You're happy with this? This is what you want? You want riots in the streets? Well, what are you doing about it? Harassing people trying to make their lives better? How do you know what type of person I am? You don't know anything about me. You think I'm 12.
Black Lives Matter. You don't agree with that?
All right. Well, I've said what I've said what I had to say.
Some police don't think Black Lives Matter. You can.
What about the two white elderly couple?
I don't have anything more to say to you. I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourselves.
Oh my God.
How you doing, sir?
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's up?
Oh, we're just playing the Nerf War assassin game.
All right. Well, you need to bounce.
We're on your property, sir.
Are you really trying to f with me now?
No, not at all. What are you doing, bro?
Are you really trying to f with me?
Not at all.
Bounce. I said bounce.
Can I sit on the street in my car?
No.
Why is that?
Bounce.
Sir, can I have my gun back, please? Sir, can I please have back my property that you stole from me? Sir, can I please have back the property you stole from me? May I please have back the gun that you stole from me? Thank you, appreciate it. You have a great night, alright? No, I said have a good night.
Lock your door.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
What is wrong with you? Do you have nothing better to do?
There's nothing wrong with me, sir.
What do you mean there's nothing wrong?
I'm choosing to walk away right now. Okay? I genuinely, the way you threatened these kids was not okay.
How did I threaten you? What did I do?
I'm not even gonna bother. Go to court if you feel you didn't do anything wrong and discuss it there. Okay? Please leave me
You think
alone.
you didn't?
Thank you, sir.
I don't understand what's wrong with you.
It's against the law to accelerate towards a pedestrian.
Did I accelerate? I didn't accelerate. I didn't accelerate. What is witness? Your husband's not a witness. There's something wrong with you guys. Are you the cop? Are you a cop? Tell me. Are you the cop?
We're done talking here. Can you please leave?
This is harassment. Go away.
How's this
Go
harassment?
away. I have young children here. Go away.
I have a dog
Go
here.
away.
You should go away too. My dog is...
You see this? I'm not turning around. I'm in a fucking alleyway. Get out of my way. I just left a fucking store down there and I'm pulling out of the street. It does not say one way anywhere in this fucking alley.
She keeps on bringing more people in. I've been in here daily.
She has
I've seen. But she's bringing more people in, and the reason she doesn't come in this side is because she's allowing more people on that side.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and let her know if that is the case. But yeah, we are only checking out keys to residents right now. We wouldn't be allowed own Weston.
Okay,
That seems kind of unfair.
It does. 'Cause she's bringing in outside guests, and you're not letting me bring in my own guests. I need to speak to your manager.
He's actually in a meeting right now.
Okay,
so
well, wait.
He's not going to be available for the rest of the day.
Okay,
so,
well,
Why are you so rude?
I'm not being rude. I'm just.
Yeah, you are, because you're not telling those people
And
either.
I've seen multiple people in multiple days come in here with other people, outside guests, seen them, and you guys have never said anything. And she comes in with 9 people on the other side. I come in with my one guest, showing you, and you're okay with that?
So I can go ahead and let her know if that is. The
Okay,
case.
then yeah, you can.
But I'm not going to be able to check out a key to you then.
You can check out a key to me, because I'm a resident.
But not if you're going to be bringing a guest with you.
She's not going to come in. But you could give me a key. I am a resident.
Wrong address, and I did not.
So I drove this lady to the address that was in the Lyft app. Exactly where I said, where it said that I should go. I get here. This isn't the right address. And she's very upset that I didn't take her to the right place, but it's not my fault that the address in the app is not correct. I can't fix that. And now she's insisting on me bringing her to the correct address for free. She's saying I'm threatening her. That's absurd. I haven't said anything threatening. The only thing I've told her is to get out of my vehicle.
No, he told me to get the out of his car.
You're right. You're right. I said get the out of my car. That is not a threat, ma'am.
Right now,
ma'am,
I'm being threatened.
Ma'am, that is not a threat.
I'm being threatened.
I have not threatened.
I'm being threatened.
I have not threatened this lady at all. I just want her to get out of my car.
Psycho.
Because she is a psycho, clearly. I'm not.
He's threatening to beat me in the car.
I've
and I'm
never
not getting out his car.
haven't said anything
He
even
needs
close
to take
to
me
that.
home now.
If you're so threatened by me, then why don't you get out of the car and get as far away from me as you can if I'm so
Because
scary?
my insurance is on the line and they're gonna everything up right now. Because somebody gonna take me home.
Ma'am, can you please just call another Lyft?
No, I'm not.
Why?
I don't call Lyft. My insurance does. So
Well, can you have your insurance
no,
call
I'm
you
not.
another Lyft,
I'm waiting
please?
for them on the line.
Listen, I'm not bringing you
Well,
anywhere.
you could do whatever you want, but I'm not getting out the car.
Why?
My insurance is paying for this ride, and I'm going to go where I have to go.
Listen,
This
ma'am,
is my
I'm
address.
sure if you just explain
No,
to your
I'm not
insurance,
explaining nothing.
I'm
not
sure
getting
if you
stranded in the
explain
street.
I'm sure if you explain
I
to
am
your
not getting
insurance
stranded
company,
in the street.
ma'am, could you please let me speak?
No, I'm not getting stranded in the street.
You're not being stranded by anybody.
I'm not getting stranded. I'm in a car.
Nobody is stranded.
You, I'm not getting out here. Help! Help!
What do I do here, folks? I just want her to get out of my car. I'm sure if she just explains.
Daniel will forever be the
You guys.
We'll give it to the band now.
Thank you.
15 years he's been with us and he's still the guy.
All of y'all motherfuckers are going to be fired while you're laughing. I didn't hit you. You were pregnant. I hit the fucking window. You're scary as. You're scary as. You're scary as. Thank you, and I'm recording you. What's your name? Thank you. What's your name? What's your name? Hi. I don't care. I don't care. Huh? McDonald's. What? What? Call the police. Please call the police. Call the owner. Please call the owner. Call the owner. Call the owner. Call the owner. I gave her my money, so I want it. Thank you. Here. This is 5 something. Here. Here. It's 5 something. It's 5 something. You can't do that. You can't refuse customer service, and I know you're lying. What? I didn't do that to her. I didn't assault the. You have the camera right here. I didn't hit you. I don't give a f. I didn't hit you. Give me my. Like I said, give me my 5 something. Thank you. Give me my Dr. Pepper and my motherfucking drink. You pregnant. I don't give a f about you or that fuck. Period. I don't give a f. Now give me my rock shake.
Why they're arguing? Why she's arguing?
No. She isn't on.
That's it for this week's video. Let us know in the comments below if you liked that video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more funny videos every week.